Hello, my name is Michael McDonald. I'm an attorney at Lifetree Law, and I've created an emergency USB wallet card. And I'm giving this card away for free. I'm doing this because I want families to be prepared for life and death emergencies. This card will allow you to put specific information and documents on it so that if you do have an emergency, that information will be with you for both medical personnel and law enforcement personnel. So I preloaded it with editable PDF forms. The first being contact information as well as medical information with medical insurance information, dental insurance information. I've also included a pre-need for guardian for minor. What that document is it tells the court and the world who you would want to raise your children if something happened to you. Usually I charge $300 for that document, but I'm just including it on this USB card for free. I'm also including a will and trust building kit that helps you get the information together so that you can figure out whether you would need a will-based estate plan or a trust-based estate plan. So I don't want to confuse anybody with the term estate plan. It gets confusing that some people think that you have to have a lot of money if you're going to have an estate plan, and that just simply isn't true. An estate is typically, not typically, estate is what you own. So if you own a car, that's your estate. So I've also included some additional information on this card, and that is specific videos as well as sample documents so that you can see what a power of attorney is, what it looks like, what it does. Also, it answers the question of what is a healthcare surrogate, what is a living will, what is a release of information, and also what is the difference between a will and a trust, and what is an estate plan. So all that information is included so that you can begin to take those additional steps to make sure that if there is an emergency or if something happens to you, that your family's protected and they stay out of court. So along with this, I'm also including information about a legacy video interview. And this gives you an opportunity to record yourself much like I am right now so that you can make mistakes just like I'm making right now. And they will be recorded for your family. And this is just something that's much better than pictures or words on a piece of paper because they get to hear you talk about your past, your mistakes. They get to see you alive. So you create this living history for them that will be uploaded to a cloud, and their kids will be able to see it, and their kids' kids will be able to see it. And those instructions are included on your USB card. So the other part of the USB card, why it's so valuable, is that once you decide to create an estate plan, you can upload those documents on your USB card so it's with you all the time. And it tells the world exactly what your wishes are for your kids, for your estate, for the property that you own, how you want it passed on. It gives you the flexibility to also include your legacy interview. You can put it right on this card. So with that, I'm going to invite you to take those first steps with your free emergency USB card and have the peace of mind that only someone who has those plans in place can have for both themselves and their family.